Hey guys, it's your girl Joy Itohan and welcome to the channel. And in today's video guys, we have a wig review from Remy Forte in this beautiful box. So they sent over their natural black 360 lace jerry coil in 24 inches. Guys, this is my first time getting a 360 wig, and they also sent a stock cap. Okay, so now it's time for us to get the wig. I first of all slick back my edges and wore my brown wig cap, and now this is what the wig looks like. Okay, properly packaged. It's a jerry coil wig texture. This is what the edges look like. As you can see, it's already pre-plucked. It's 360. This is what the back looks like. Okay, and now let's get to the inside of the wig. As you can see guys, this wig is already pre-bleached. It came with 4 combs for extra security and a wig strap. Okay, so we don't get a lot of security when it comes to 360 wig, but I'm glad this one came with a lot of security. Okay, so the first thing I will do is to cut off the lace at the back. Okay, because we don't need that now. And then I'm just going to grab my dark foundation to just tint the lace. Okay, and that's what it looks like. So now I'm just going to wear this. I put on the strap, which was very secure. They make this wig very secure, which I love. And this is what the wig looks like, guys. The wig looks good. So the first thing I'm going to do is just grab my mousse and put it around these edges so I can slick the hair back. So now guys, let's glue this lace. Okay, so I put the hair aside and I just cut the lace into 2, as you can see, and I decided to just brush all the hair backwards so it doesn't interfere with the gel. Okay, so now I'm just going to be using this ebony lace glue. I prefer this one because this one is not runny, and it's just very tacky. You don't need to dry it down too much before it gets tacky. So I applied 1 layer of this one, spread it around my edges, and then proceeded to apply another layer before gluing the lace. Okay, so now I'm just going to take this melting band to melt that lace better into my skin, and now we're just going to proceed to styling this wig. Okay, so because it's coily, I'm going to start with spraying a lot of water to just fluff out the wig. And I love how soft and how, you know, full the wig looks. Like, this is just one half of the wig, and look at how full it is compared to the dry side. And regardless of however you want to wear it, whether dried or wet, it looks amazing. Okay, and then I'm just going to proceed to applying the mousse just so we can further define these coils. Okay, please don't be stingy with your mousse. Apply a lot of it. Okay. All right, so I did the same thing to the other side, and guys, this wig was just so pretty. After applying this mousse, it felt so soft. And now we're just going to take off this lace. Okay, so guys, now it's time to cut off the excess lace. I'm using this brow razor because it gives this rough edges, okay, when you use the razor. And to cut off the excess lace, I will then use my scissors to just cut off the remaining. Okay, so now I'm just going to apply my ebony spray to just melt down that lace, and then I left the melting band on for I think about 10 minutes, and now we are good to go. I applied my contour powder to just tint the lace a bit, and now it's time for us to do the middle part. Okay, I am a middle part girl. I did my middle part and then applied this hair wax to just further just style and slick the hair. Okay, and then I use my melting comb, or my hot comb, sorry, to just slick the hair. Okay, so I love this hair. This hair was very easy to work with. Okay, I love this texture so much. And now my makeup is all done, I just want to define this part a bit, and I used my face powder to just define the part. And guys, this is what it looks like. I love this wig so much. It was very easy to work with. This is a 360 wig, so you can definitely glue the back of the lace if you want. So now I wanted to just try another style, and I took my my clip to just pack this hair up to show you how versatile this wig is. And guys, take a look at it. Oh my god, this hair looks so pretty. It looks so pretty, and I am so happy. Guys, this wig has a discount code, so I'll put that on the screen and also in the description box. And guys, if you want to purchase it, all links will be in the description box. Okay, take a look at the back. Oh my god. This wig elevated my look so much, and I am so happy. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.